Hello everyone, how are you? This time I want to tell you that I've created this channel with just one goal to learn English. I know very well that my pronunciation is still quite bad and that my vocabulary is very limited. But even so, I've set myself the challenge of learning of my own with the consistency and discipline. To achieve this, I'm using different resources, books in English, audio tracks and podcasts, videos of various levels, short stories adapted for learners, and also grammar books for beginners. Um, in addition, I used the Oxford Learners Dictionary online, which helped me a lot with the pronunciation and both British and American English. Uh, my main goal is to practice over and over again without being afraid of making mistakes because I know that mistakes are part of the learning process. So if you ever notice that I make a mistake, whether it's pronunciation, word usage of grammar, I invite you to leave a comment. Your suggestions are very welcome as they'll help me correct and improve little by little. Thanks for being here. Let's learn together. See you in the next video.